Mortgage clarity starts at richmondcustomhomes.com. Can you buy a foreclosure with a mortgage? Yes, but it depends on the property's condition and the type of loan. Foreclosures can be great deals, but many are sold as is, which means repairs may be needed. If the home is in good condition, you can typically use a standard loan like FHA, VA, or conventional financing. But if it needs major repairs, traditional loans may not qualify. In that case, options like renovation loans, such as FHA 203K, can help cover both the purchase and repairs. Keep in mind, foreclosures can involve bidding competition, inspections, and strict timelines. Lenders will also closely review the property to ensure it meets safety and livability standards. Tip: always get pre-approved and work with professionals who understand foreclosure transactions. For more info, Dwayne Buziak, Mortgage Maestro, NMLS 1110647 804-212-8663. Dwayne at coast2coastmal.com and visit richmondcustomhomes.com.